Yeah, right. No doubt about it. I just want to see who you down there finna make roadkill. Prime. Hey, Big Boss. I want to know who you down there trying to make roadkill so I can get ready. Big Boss, I bang.
Flexing all the morning.
And that right, know that about it, boss. Well, you that duck chucking 25 was getting it, man, but you had it, man. I got that little bit on the gate, no doubt about it. Hey, Big Boss, I just want to see who you was out there trying to make roadkill with. Hey, Big Boss, your buzzer than our bank.
I got a hammer on his ass. I got a hammer on his ass. Catch you later, brother. Big balls in the big hole. Just up.
And that right, I heard 25 that kept making time, man. Yeah, he talking to that duck chuck and Motor Mouth Mall. All right, Big Boss, you say you finna go 10-7, I'm gonna get on out here too. Hey, Big Boss, your buzz at Northwest Cone and our bank.
Oh, you take care, brother. Take care of that Motor Mouth Mall. 25, don't make me beat his ass in the rain. Hello, brother. Oh, Cornbread, here you go. Just rock it out.
Hello to you, Cornbread. I heard you when Big Boss got off that Cat Maker Mall show did. I gotta tell her like a T.I. is so you don't think you keying on that Cat Maker. Hello to you, Cornbread. Happy Turkey Day on that Cat Maker in. Hey, Cornbread, your buzzer, and I just bank.
Wow, his baby hammer gone. Wait.
Charlie, you better get out of that neighborhood, man, before they recognize that car. Hey, Charlie, you better get your ass out of that neighborhood before they recognize that car messing up everything. Hey, Charlie, take care. Have a super fine one. Charlie Buzzard, Northwest Cone, and I bank.
Brother, I keyed down a Cornbread as a reminder of who I am. Hey, brother, my friend Cornbread forgot who Charlie Wilson was, so I thought I cut his radio off one time. But all you...
And that right, Charlie, know that about it. You said you had to remind Cornbread who owns that duck sugar neighborhood down there, Cat Maker. That's what you said. And you said you had to cut his Cat Maker radio off. That's what you said, Charlie. All right, Charlie, go on do what you got to do because you owning it right now. Charlie, your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bank.
I'm living in Mother Nature. I'm living in Mother Nature. I'm living in Mother Nature. I'm not taking it back. Telling me we ain't gonna have this conversation no more. Crazy. That was crazy.
Hey, Cornbread, that cat making Charlie, Mr. Charlie said he ain't taking it back. And y'all ain't having that conversation no more. Who runs Oklahoma, Cat Maker? That's what he said. Hey, Cornbread, that Cat Maker Charlie said he ain't taking it back. And he wants you to know who owns Oklahoma. Know that about it. Cornbread, Charlie, Cornbread, Buzzard Bank.
Hey, buddy, I want to right now. I feel like...
Hey, Charlie, you and Cornbread, I got some bad news. That Cat Maker Stormy weather keyed up and said both of you Cat Makers sitting over in the corner with that dunce cap on. He wants y'all to be quiet, because if them diapers wet, he definitely gonna spank y'all. That what that Cat Maker, that duck shucking Stormy weather come in there and took my radio. Hello to you once again, Charlie. Hello to you once again, Cornbread. Stormy, cut that shit out. Stormy Buzzard Bank. Charlie, I know you want me to tell it like it is, man. Hey, Charlie, I know you want me to tell it like it is, man. And that duck sugar Stormy key that kept me down, the first thing you heard was, woo. And then he came out talking, man. He said, tell both of them cat makers sitting over in the corner in them high chairs, if they didn't poop or peed on themselves, they gonna be in trouble because he ain't gonna be changing them. That's what that cat maker said, Charlie Buzz at Northwest Cone and I Bank.
Well, let me get on out of here, man. Charlie said let me get on out of here. What you waiting on, Buzz? Hey, Buzzer, you see that you gotta love them. Hey, Buzzer, you got to love them. They get my baby's got fight. But I don't allow them to fight. I think they do it to one another, but I don't allow them to fight, Buzzer.
Stormy, whether you say you don't allow your babies to to fight, you don't mind them sitting over there in the corner in them high chairs with them duck sugar pampers on, and they better not assault them. But Stormy, you say you don't allow your babies to fight, and you keep control of them, no doubt about it. All right, Stormy, let me get on out of here, man, because you doing what you say you doing, no doubt about it. Stormy Buzz at I Bang.
I'm all hog, it's goddamn. Hey, Buzzer. Charlie got to I gotta go.
And that'll ride, you know that about it. All right, then, Stormy, let me get on out of here. Hey, Mr. Wilson, let me get on out of here, man. You know how it is. Stormy, Mr. Wilson, Cornbread, your buzz is back up here circling now. Good day.
When Mother Nature walks away, it's time for me to walk away also. Y'all take care. God's bless upon you. The man in Kentucky, the fish at 10-7.
You did it, Charlie. Hey, Charlie, you did it that time here on the mall talking to ice cream. I'm banking.
I ain't heard no ice cream. I ain't even heard ice cream. Put on your later, Buzzer. I was just checking. I see ya.
Hey, Charlie, you mean you escaped from that high chair that Stormy had you in earlier? Hey, Charlie, you trying to tell me that you didn't escape from that duck shucking high chair that Stormy had you in, and you keyed on him and you running down the street? Charlie, cut that mess out, I bang.
I didn't escape, man. He just fooled around and got back in a sandbox. He got out the high chair and jumped into the sandbox. It's dangerous in a sandbox. Hey, Buzzer, let me get on out of here and get home. Buzzer, Charlie, bye-bye.
You said that cat making Stormy Weather wasn't paying attention, and he went over there and started playing in that sandbox, and you got out of that chair and you grabbed you a brick and you hit him right in the back of the head, Charlie. Now you gonna run on home. That's what you said, Charlie. Charlie, let me go, Charlie. I'm gone.
87 in the Captain dog found with that Captain suit dog. They motored my mom. I'm gonna put 87 in the Alright, brother. Okay. You gotta take care of the baby, so whatever he say so, believe so, Stormy with a pill.
That cat maker found out you got out of that high chair, Charlie. Hey, Charlie, that cat nigga found out you got out of that high chair, and that cat nigga ran back out of that duck sugar sandbox, and he said, Buzzard, whatever he say, don't worry about it. That's what he said, Charlie. Go on home, Charlie, I bank.
Top of the double looking morning time. Happy Turkey Day week. Motor Mile Mall. You know who it is. Deuce 5.
Yeah, I heard you, man. I'm rolling through the neighborhood. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba, tell me, baby. When a grown man, it's my job. I'm a watch, baby. Watch, baby.
Well, Charlie, that cat nigga was in there with you, man. I had to finish so I could tell you what he said. He says that he ran out of gloves, and when his babies get down and they messy, he gonna have to let you keep running, Charlie. That's what he said, because he ran out of rubber gloves, right?
Now you don't. Bye-bye.
Isn't that all right, Stormy? All right, Stormy, let me get on out of here, Stormy. That cat nigga Charlie keep hitting you, man. That cat nigga come in there when you, if he learn to time it right, he can hit you. Hey, Stormy, watch out for Charlie, man, because that cat nigga keep getting down out of that chair, picking up that brick, and hitting you upside your head. Stormy, Buzzard, Bank.
Motor Mile Mall. I'm going to go 10-7. It's fine.
Keep on calling you, my duck. Hello, brother, I don't know.
You keep calling me, but that cat nigga Stormy and that duck shucking Charlie Wilson got my radio. But hello, round the big horn. Happy Turkey Day on you, to you, big brother. And old Buzzard back up here listening. Hey, Stormy, that cat nigga Charlie keyed up again, man, while you was on that cat nigga mall and told me to tell you to have a good day. Hey, Stormy, that cat nigga Charlie keyed up one more time and told me to tell you have a good day. Hey, Stormy, your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bang.
Come on, 1025 to cut that junk around like a hip around the creek. I'm back quiet. He's not kid, okay? I don't roll the way back, so if he can, he's not kid no stormy weather, I'm telling.
Isn't that right? I think he gone now, Stormy. But Stormy, he was doing it. It's on this gate. I'll put it up on Who Said I Can't Key on your ass. With the rest of them. But Stormy, you had them all down, but that kept making snuck in there every now and then. Hey, Stormy, take care. Like I said, have a good turkey day. You too, Mr. Wilson. Both of you cat make a job well done. Your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bank.
Damn. Can I get in there with? Hey, brother, on the west side body, I see. All right, I'm going to try one more time. Keys. Hey, brother, Stormy weather 10-6.
Yeah, right, Stormy. You said he was keying between the keys. But Stormy, I'm gonna be honest with you, cat nigga. That cat nigga keyed when you keyed. If you listen to this gate, you'll see that cat nigga wasn't totally getting blanked out. And when he hesitated for a little while and let you get in there for a few minutes, and that cat nigga keyed, Stormy, I heard him. And it's on this gate. Stormy, Buzzard, Bank.
Hold on, you ain't a buzzard. I'll go, man. I gotta go. I gotta go, buzzard. Hey, buzzard, he'll sit on the water gate. Hey, buzzard, Charlie Wilson said he'll sit on the gate, but I gotta go, buzzard. Charlie, bye.
Bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie. You ain't gotta go. Go, Charlie. It's all over. He said he ain't keying no more. He done powered down, man. And I can't pass no 5 on that kept me because he done powered down. Charlie, keep on with the keeping on. Charlie, Buzzard, Bank.
All right, good job, buzzard. By the way,
And that a riot, Stormy. He was on the key when you trapped that cat making hammer and it was all over. Hey, Stormy, he was on the key when you dropped that cat making hammer and it was all over. Charlie, go in the house, man. Charlie, y'all have a turkey day. Good one, a real good one. Charlie. Stormy, Buzzard Bank.
I get rockin' dead on West Side Body, run a big hard looking for condition. And I don't get rockin' dead on West Side Body, run a big sound, bring it up.
Alright, Buzzard, I put on you later, man. I can't hear Stormy, so I don't know if he on the key or not, man. Hey, Buzzard, I cannot hear Stormy, so I don't know if he on the key or not, so you have a good day on that end. I'm in the neighborhood. Take care, Buzzard, Mr. Wilson. Bye, bye, bye.
He wasn't keyed. Hey, Charlie, he wasn't keyed. That last time, before that, he keyed, man, and he did cut your radio off. Hey, Charlie, you heard on the gate, Charlie Buzzard. Go on in the house, Cat Mickey. You in the neighborhood. I bank.
Well, good deal, good deal. That means I could go now, man. If he didn't key the last time, he shouldn't key this time, so that means I could go. Hey, Buzzard, bump it down later. Mr. Wilson in the neighborhood. I gotta go too. Good day, good day.
Hey, Charlie, if you just hearing the sound, the shadow done pass you, and I'm already home. Charlie, good day.
We'll make some cat picking pot pies with it. If we got any turkey left, we'll make some pot pies, some homemade pot pies. 1400 got bound.
Hey, 1400, are they gonna be turkey? Hey, 1400, are they gonna be turkey pot pies? Hey, 1400, you better get some of them turkey nipples and put in it so you can have a real good time. Hey, 1400, happy turkey day on that cat making end. 1400, your buzz at Northwest Corn and our bank.
You need to go right time.
Turkey pot pie,
Hey, 1400, that cat making Charlie Wilson keyed up in that mobile and said you ought to be gone. Hey, 1400, that cat making Charlie Wilson in that mobile around Oklahoma keyed up and told me to tell you you should be gone. And that's where it went. Hey, 1400, have a great turkey day. 1400, your buzz at Northwest Corn and our bank.
Have a day old day, mate, working on something.
Hey, adjust in your mind. You know you run late. That make you sore too. So go on and fix it. Get it right. Like you got everything else. Motor Mall, 1400. I'm back quiet.
Nevertheless, Baby dog, you have a good one on that end, man.
What the hell? Not my partner in Minnesota. God damn, Mouse. Mouse, your buzz at Northwest Corn and our bank.
Northwest Corn. Oh, damn it.
And that Araya Mouse, Minnesota Mouse. That's a cat making Roger, cat making man. I was sitting there just listening, had the gate going, and here you come up in here. Hey, Minnesota Mouse, happy turkey day on that cat making end. Minnesota Mouse, your buzz at Northwest Corn and our bank.
Hey, happy turkey day right back.
Hey, brother, you ain't got a whole lot of mud, did you? Hey, brother, on the Northwest Corn on Saturday, in the big horse. Hey, you ain't got a whole lot of mud, are you?
Hey, Minnesota Mouse, that cat make a body snatch out of Texas, reaching there and grabbing your tongue out of your mouth, man. Hey, Minnesota Mouse, that cat make a body snatcher down around Texas, reaching there and grab your cat making tongue out your cat making mouth. But I heard you. Hello to your body snatcher. Happy turkey day on that cat making end body snatcher, your buzz at Northwest Corn and our bank.
All right, brother, I can't be in. Have a tell you right back, man. No doubt about that. Can't be $9 grand. It's not hard to have it. No doubt. Hey, what's calling? Yes, I am.
And that Araya body snatcher, hey, Minnesota Mouse, I heard you trying to get in there, man. And that Araya body snatcher, that can't be Minnesota Mouse trying to get some of your Kool-Aid for Thanksgiving. He done probably got a dry mouth trying to get by you, and that can't be trying to steal some of your Kool-Aid. All right, then, body snatcher, take care, have a super fine one. Body snatcher, your buzz in Northwest Cone, and I bang.
All right, brother, all right here, man. Tell me go get him some if he wants some, man. Hey, brother, you tell me if he wants some, he come get some. If he don't, he stay behind now somewhere come wrong, man. You no talking, no doubt about that. Oh, my brother, yes I am. Mr. Body snatching the big hole, God down he go.
Hey, body snatcher, you said that cat nigga running around Minnesota, he didn't grab his duck sugar stocking cap. He grabbed one of them used diapers, man, and it had some nuggets in it or something. Hey, body snatcher, let me get on out of here, man. That ain't what he gonna eat for Thanksgiving. Body snatcher, cut that mess out. Body snatcher, your buzz at Northwest Cone, and I'm gone now. Good day.
All right, brother, take care.
I'm gonna give you the long one, cat nigga. And that's Araya, body snatcher, your buzz in Northwest Corner. And I'm gone 7-9, body snatcher, good day.
Good day, good day, good day, good day, brother, I gotta go.
Good job, Minnesota Mouse. Good job, Minnesota Mouse. Minnesota Mouse, your buzz in Northwest Corner. And I bang.
You there, boy? Hey, buzzer. Boy, but I'm just in this traffic and out here. I really like when you acknowledge all the babies. I really think when you acknowledge all the babies on the man. Hey, buzzer, Stormy with a pill.
Hey, Stormy was, if I hear a cat making man, I'm gonna talk to him, man. I don't care if I hear him after all the keying is done and everybody is out there and they keying. If I hear him under there, I'll let him know. I hear you, cat maker, but you know what's gonna happen when I let this cat making hammer go. They gonna drop that hammer on you. Stormy was, I appreciate it. Stormy, whether you have a great turkey day, it's always a pleasure in this end, cat maker. Stormy, your buzzing up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon, and I bang.
I'm gonna get out the way. Hey, buzzer, okay. With that, I'm gonna get out the way. Buzzer, Stormy,
Hey, Stormy. You know if I say you just hearing the sound and you didn't see the shadow, Stormy, I'm already at home. Stormy, good day.
I don't know what you got to do. Toodaloo, that means you too. Motor mouth model. Yeah, we can. And we just don't never know when. I think I heard motor mouth model. West Coast been later, 1400 step.
Hey, 1400, before you get too far, Cat Mick, I want to tell you happy turkey day on that end. Hey, 1400, before you get too Cat Mick and far, I want to tell you happy turkey day on that end. 1400, your homeboy just swooped down on you. Now I'm going home, 1400, good day.
Turkey, way to you and your fine family too, my brother. Wish y'all well. And we'll do it again next time we can. And who said your ass can't be keyed on? Hey, buzzer, 1400 way he got down.
And that Araya, 1400, your buzz at Northwest Corner, good day.
Yeah.
And I'm out of the way too, Stormy weather. And look at your Facebook. I try to get in there and look at some of them gates. And I've been
patiently to get accepted.
Hey, Motor Mouth weather. Go off to hell with it.
I'm back, Mouse.
Yeah, me too. Motor Mouth heard me apparently, and I went back, looked down his gate, and yep, there I was.
Oh yeah, you like when I first heard you, bro. I said, good, look at it, cause I was done. I just got done refereeing a fight between Stormy Weather and Mr. Wilson. I said, oh shit, that's Mouse. You had a little squeal at first, and then you got rid of it.
Yeah, I had that same squirrel up in Motor Mouth's gate.
As I end this gate, you'll buzz it up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon? And I banked all the way left now. Good day.